Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new, you are welcome. If it's your very first time, welcome back. And if you are new to this channel, please do welcome. And today I will be going to prepare pasta, okay, ama macaroni. So nimetumia hii macaroni this type, okay. Nimetumia chicken, boneless chicken. Hii ni kama nusu. Tomato, 3 tomatoes, carrots 2, hoho, vitunguu viwili. Hii hapa ni ginger and garlic and 2 chicken cubes. Also I have cumin, and here about spices you will just add your favorite spices, okay? So I will add cumin, curry, pasta yetu. Fry mpaka iwe ina turn golden brown. So chicken, let's fry the chicken. Okay, curry, fish curry, and this is cumin. Stir it well. Add salt. We need the golden brown color, okay? Give it a time. After to fry kama ni golden brown, sasa tutazi transfer. In our pot again, hii pan tutaweka oil kiasi. Nataka kutengeneza sauce sasa. So let's add onion. Garlic, ginger and garlic. Add tomato. Cumin little, paprika kidogo, curry kiasi. Koroga. Sasa hapa nitaweka carrots na capsicum na hiyo hoho. Haya, funika sasa. Haya, sasa to add our chicken. sauce is ready. Sasa, now we'll add our pasta.
I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me.
Ready to be served. Alright guys, this is our final look. Look at that. It's so yummy, guys. I hope you'll try this. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Hit the subscription button below and let's meet with another video. Thank you.